So I have a question.
Yeah.
Um, when you're setting a product
Mhm.
and you want three options, the full payment, payment and monthly.
Mhm.
What's the best way to set it up?
It's the same product, just different price points.
Yes.
Okay. So it'd all
So
be within the same product then. And are you going to offer one to be an upgrade over the other or
the thing is, the first one, the full payment has a discount. The payment is gonna be 1,200 and they have a discount of 2,000, like 2,000. So it's going to be 10 grand. And the second option is a two payment of 6,000. But that you cannot put the discount. And the other one, it's going to be a monthly of 2,250, I think. So those
sure?
are the three options, but it's the same coaching thing.
Okay. Well, in that case, just to have everything listed out, I would probably do um, individual products for each of those options. And the only reason why I say that is because if you do everything within one product and just have different variants, it's going to show a drop down people can select from, but it's not going to have all the prices listed out at one time. For like just a view standpoint, you can highlight a specific version or specific product that you want there. If you happen to do everything at once, maybe I should just show you so it makes more sense. Hold on. In example, we go and preview this page. Don't roast me too hard on design. This is definitely just a test page, and that's it. Essentially, it'll show a drop down. So just like we're seeing right here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so you could technically list multiple different price points in one product as variants, right? When you do that, you can select each of the products or select each of the price points you want to display on a specific funnel. So if you go to the settings of a product, from there go to availability and prices, you can have all of them enabled at once, right? So in your case, you have the monthly, the full pay, and then the two payments of $600, right? Um, when you do that, it's going to show a drop down just like this. So instead of having everything listed out at once, you can select the version that you want to use or want that they want to pay for, right? And they'll see the correct price according to what they select. The only reason why I would say not to do that in your particular case is because you probably want people to take the full pay option more often than not, right? Likely. Is that like the main goal?
Yes.
Over like the payment, you probably want them to pay in full right there and then. So that way you know that everything's paid. Um, but if you do this option, you can't highlight a specific product. Go into edit and go to an order form in the checkout itself. So if I want this one to be the one that people are gravitating towards the most, I would just click on a little check icon there, right? So now it's highlighted. It is in their face. You can go and adjust the coloration. You can change the title there where it says best selling, put whatever you want. It just basically makes it so you can have one of the three options there stand out the most. That's why I would
Oh,
say have three individual products, add them to the page as normal, and then highlight the one you want people to gravitate to the most, attention wise.
okay. Yeah. Okay. So I will set up one is going to be as a monthly for 6 months. The other one is going to be two times, two payments, and the
Hmm.
other one is going to be in full. So that's it.
Yep.
And the naming could be the same, just changing the payment option. Okay.
Yeah, I would probably put like in the name of the product itself, one sets a monthly, one like pay in full, split payments of into two, like make that the product name or in the product name maybe, or in the description of the product, so it shows down below. And then people would have a very clear understanding of what each one is. Obviously, they will based off a price, but um, the clearer it is for you, the clearer it is for them. Everyone's good. Plus, it'll be easier to know which one they're on from your angle as well.
Okay. So I hope I have this done so we can
So,
see it on Friday.
so to do this, I'll just all you have to do is go out of here, out of the funnel itself. We'll go to products in the left hand side. Let me just specify what I'm saying here. Go to all products. We're going to create 3 individual products. So one right now, this would be full pay example, right? Set the price. This would be $10,000.
Okay.
That price. Cool. Now we'd want to go back, click on all products one more time, and we're going to do it 2 more times. One for the 2 pay and one for the 3 pay. Make sense?
Yes.
Beautiful. Cool. If you have questions, just let me know. But hopefully that I just want to clarify there just so we're on the same page.
The monthly payment, so I want it to be, the program is just for 6 months. So I will put, how do I stop the payment? So it's gonna be 6 payments of monthly, 6 monthly payments. That's it, right?
Yeah. So in that case, you just go over here to create product. We'll just do monthly product example. There we go. Create product. And on the second tab here, you just got to select payment type or payment plan. And now at this point, you can set how many payments there's going to be, how the interval is going to be set up. If you want the payment plan to be every month, every 1 month, right? Just type in number 1 there, select month. And then for the amount per payment, you put whatever it is that they're going to be paying it every single month.
Okay,
So 5 pay, they're paying $6,000 a month for 5 months. That's it. After the amount has been set right here or has been met, right? So 5 payments of that, it'll automatically cut off.
okay,
So
awesome.
basically, again, just to recap, they're going to pay 6,000 a month here, 6,000 every 1 month for 5 months straight. After that, it'll automatically just stop. They'll stop being charged.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anytime.